everybody. Just finished up the Audi A4 Quattro. I'm sorry, this is the A5 Quattro. So we tinted the windows with that 4%. She looks really good. We also added that windshield with the 55. I'm sorry, 32. It's a little early for me. We did not do the sunroof, we just left it as is. We also installed the subwoofer. To the original stereo. So right now it's a lot of bass, but if you lower it, you can hear now. You know, so I tapped into the original subwoofer, so now if you turn it up,